Thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi in Tizagamatibula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you that are new, welcome to the family. Those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So today's video is about sithunywa, profita. Ngifuna sikhulume ngemajazi makhala emajazi from profita for sithunywa guys, sithunywa sasemandini. Now this calling profita, i-calling yokuthi ube umthandazi, uthandazela abantu, usebenza ngetiwasho and everything. So this calling ne, it involve majazi that come in different colors, so the colors that I'm gonna mention today, you can expect them if you have this type of a calling ngebuprofiti, or if unesithunywa, guys. So which color am I gonna start with? I'm gonna start with white, guys. If you say guti you have a calling yeprofita yokuthi ube mthandazi, majazi lotowabona utobona lijazi lelimhlophe nawulele. Angikhulumi ngetiphambano today, because your ancestors can show you different kinds of what you call crosses, or whatever that they may need, or maybe say a star, or a moon, or whatever. I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about the colors, the majazi that you're gonna dream about if you have this particular calling. So you're gonna dream of ijazi leli mhlophe. I said white. You're gonna dream of ijazi leli mhlophe. Those of you that do not know what is mhlophe is white. Ijazi leli mhlophe. And then the second one, you will dream of ijazi leli yellow. Or you will dream, number 3, you're gonna dream of ijazi leli maroon. Now poopy, if you don't dream of maroon, number 3, you're gonna dream of purple. Utoputsa ijazi leli purple. Or utopupha ijazi leli blue. Or utopupha ijazi leli blue, guys, blue. And then you can also dream of ijazi leli green. Ijazi leli green, guys. Ijazi leli green. Like I've said, I'm only talking about the colors of majazi ebuprofita. If you are called to be a prophet or a prophetess, or umthandazi lo thandazela abantu, or ngetiwasho, or whatever case may be. So those are the colors that I will be talking about today. Oh, before I forget, the other one, oh god, the most powerful one, the one that I actually like the most, utopupha lijazi le ingwe. Utopupha lijazi le ingwe le brown and black. Jazi le ingwe mabalabala, ingwe, guys, ingwe. Kunelihiya lakhona ibile futhi inyanga, the colors of ingwe, they are different. There's red, there's green, there's yellow, there's what, I don't know, but there are a lot of colors now. So the one that lingiyatigo le, okay, not that I prefer or anything, but le vele makhosi vele the naleli tinye makhala ayasebenza, but the one the one the brown and what and let me grab the one for you. Let me show you. Okay guys, I was talking about this one. Gosh. Okay, this one is my duke. Gosh. This one is my duke. But I'm talking about Laple Ingwe. This one just Le Ingwe. So yes, those are the colors of majazi that you can expect. Say i-calling yakho isaqala, maphupha akho asaqala, you still don't understand what's happening in Nanan. You're dreaming of water, you're dreaming of majazi, and then when time goes by, you're gonna dream of there are certain sticks that you are gonna be using to pray with, that mine is not here. So there's a stick that you will dream of, and nakhona kunenduku futhi. So I'm gonna show you that on another video. Yebu Porofita, and then Yebu Tandazi, if you have such a calling. So thank you guys for watching. I don't know what's on ini. Oh, and also about beats, cause sometimes the name of beats are corner. Oh, okay, wait, before I even end this video guys, and gonna be peak as well. Sometimes you will dream you will dream of lijazi lakho lihamba nespeaker. Sorry, I forgot this one. Lijazi lakho lihamba nespeaker, because even nalela kamle ingwe lihamba nespeaker, like ahamba nespeaker sometimes. Or uthola ukuthi uputsa speaker kuphela. Uputsa speaker kuphela. It can be white, it can be blue, it can be yellow, it can be this type of cloth, and then it can be green, it can be whatever color it may be guys. So yes, sometimes you'll find that you're dreaming of Amajazi, and then sometimes when your calling start, you begin with maybe speaker or a duke. So when you're having this dreams of ukuba umthandazi, or of being a prophet or a prophetess, you also gonna dream about dukes. It might be a white duke, it can be a yellow duke, it can be this one that I'm having here, it can be maybe say black and white, it can be green, it can be blue, whatever color it may be guys. So expect this type of things in your dreams if you have a calling of being a prophetess or a prophet or umthandazi. Thokozani, this is Kokota Blamanzi in Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.